welcome to creating passive income using your artwork with print on demand. So if you're not familiar with print on demand, that's what we're going to be focusing on so that we can create products using your artwork, which creates a really nice revenue stream to add to your art business portfolio. So what exactly is print on demand? We're going to get into that. What I'm going to run you through right here, right now, is actually how this whole course is set up so you know what to expect, where to find things, okay? So first off, what we're going to do is when you go into your library and you go to stephanieweaverartist.com/library, you're going to be presented with a screen similar to this one. Now, I see all the products because I own them all, created them all, I do. So you are right here. What you're going to see is this 3-step program to create products using your artwork. You're going to click on that. You're also going to see another product within there that you own, which is this online artist community. And that came with what you just purchased, okay? So what we're first going to go through is this 3-step program. I'm going to go ahead and click Let's Go. All right, so here, you are here right now. Welcome aboard. You're going through this video right now. Okay, so then the next step is this 3-step program to create products with your artwork. The way that I have this set up is I'm going to explain to you the what's and the whys here. Then you're going to be given some homework, and there's lots of documentation in here for you to digest and through video, and then I also have the written word, so that way you can kind of do both if that's your preference. Okay, and then you'll also have, there's a downloadable, a PDF, so that you can have a product creation checklist. This is another handy tool where it reiterates some of the things that I've already said and gives you some golden nuggets in a different format because everybody digests information just a little bit differently. Right? So you'll have that there, and then you can go right to your next step where we talk about your homework step by step. So again, there's an introduction video that talks about kind of what to do. In your homework, that's when we get into the hows, and I'm going to pull up this one-pager. So in your one-pager, you're presented with additional videos that walk you step by step how to do things. This is a software that I pay for. You can create a free account, and that way you can keep your notes and everything in here. I can't see your notes. This is just for you, okay? So I love the one-pager because of all the additional functionality that I can give you guys, and additional tools that you can use and help create your products, okay? So that's where the one-pager, that's your actual homework, the step-by-step on how to do these things. Back in your community over here, you'll also see, and I've got your bonuses, okay? So if I go back to my library here, for example, if I ever get lost, always go back to your library. Click on your 3-step program. Then all your bonuses are listed here. So in the documentation that I'm giving you, most everything is centered around Etsy because I'm an Etsy user. So if you're not yet an Etsy user, you might want to check this one out. Is Etsy the right solution for you? And it's another one-pager, similar to what we just went through, where you get to walk through the steps and identify if Etsy is the right solution for you versus WooCommerce, Shopify, all the art storefronts, all those things. And then I also have in here your exclusive roundtable discussion with Guten, okay? And then your unlimited access to the online artist community. And that's your other product that you also see. So you can access that here or go over in your right sidebar over here. Then you also have another bonus, and this bonus is about your keyword researching. And this is just a fabulous tool that is just gold. So that'll help you a great deal should you decide to move forward with Etsy. And it'll also actually help you a great deal with WooCommerce and Shopify, okay? But it is geared around Etsy. So keyword research, fabulous, fabulous tool. So as you can see, everything you have is right here, and any additional products that you purchase from me will be in your library right here. Okay, If you decide to move forward with art business membership, all those resources are going to be located on art education and business resources. If you decide to move forward with Etsy Bootcamp, you will have a new product show up there. And then if you would like to be an affiliate, I will be sending you additional information about affiliates so that you can start earning money, another little income stream, when you help promote my products and somebody signs up as a result of your promotions. All right, so that is it. That will get you into your 3-step program, get you locked and loaded and ready to work your program. Until next time, stay safe, happy, and healthy. And if there's any questions, just pop them into the Positive Painters online artist community and we'll be glad to help. Happy creating. Bye, guys.